It's Taylor's makeup video. Taylor's makeup!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor and today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup, which a lot of you have been asking me about, but instead of me telling you what I'm doing, there's going to be a special guest doing the voiceover and I have no idea what they're going to say or what they're going to do. So it should be very interesting. Anyway, I will show you my makeup routine.
For some
You're
pat
gonna
in primer.
You want to pat your face.
Primer up.
And then put polka dots all over it until you look like a Dalmatian. And then you're going to grab a sponge
That
and
looks
dab.
like a tulip.
Yeah, it's more like an egg, like a pointy egg. Oh yeah, and
something.
you just
Oh,
you
okay,
dab until
okay,
your
next.
Now your face is clean.
This is gonna give your eye, get rid of any bags under your
man.
eyes, maybe.
Look at that. That conceals very nice. Is this a concealer?
Ooh, that could be a concealer.
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh.
That's shiny.
This is Charlotte Tilbury something.
You're gonna want to grab your favorite brush and just
Make
once
sure
again,
it's clean. Don't use a dirty brush.
Yeah.
Circles. More Charlotte Tilbury. This is ooh, this is great. This is just adding a little color and definition. Ooh, like contour. It's adding some contour.
Yeah, like
So
some
if you get it
shadows and
nice
some
up and
contour.
down on your
Highlights.
cheekbones. Look at definition coming through. A little bit on the forehead. Up, and don't forget that jawline.
Oh no, what is this? This is just
Wow.
another brush attached.
It's just
to...
gonna blend it all in.
I think this is just a brush glued to a spoon.
And now, don't forget the glitter.
Oh. Now, just remember, it's never a bad time to put some glitter on your face, and it can really just make or break any look.
That is so true. Oh, a little more Charlotte Tilbury. This time it's a blush, a little bit of blush,
Oh,
giving you
yes.
that blended in with the spoon brush.
So you grab the spoon brush, you take
more
the
glitter?
blush. Oh,
You know what?
is this a fresh layer of glitter?
Ooh.
Look at that.
Like Josh said, glitter can really make or break the look.
And I'd say making it here.
A little more glitter. Oh, more glitter.
Wow.
Oh, but this is
Oh,
eyeball
this is for your
glitter.
eye
It might be
glitter.
the same. Might use
And you're
the
going
same
to want to
glitter.
take some caution because the eyeballs are pretty sensitive.
Yes, no one wants glitter in their eyes. Oh gosh.
Oh, man,
You get in
that's
the
too
corners,
close for
but
me.
not in your eyes.
Oh, what is
Ooh,
this?
This
That's
is
sparkly.
Ooh.
Oh.
Okay, so just dab that on your eyelids, a little bit in the corner of your eyes. Really makes them pop. Some Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, and then here comes the color, folks.
Now, it's seeming like the real key here is layers. You
Yes.
want to blend different
Ooh,
colors.
Okay, so now we're getting
Oh,
those
man.
lashes perfectly curled, long.
I'm not sure if we're taking them off or just making them look better.
Oh, this is Chanel mascara, some of the best in the game.
Ooh, this scares me.
That was just a primer,
Oh my
so
gosh,
this stuff sticks
more.
well.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, wow,
You know,
look
that
at
really,
those.
That really elevated
Yeah.
the look.
Oh, okay, a little brow brush, brow
Now,
pencil.
I think you want to be careful with the brows because it's very easy.
Yeah,
to
you just want to
change
fill 'em
your
in and
facial
thicken 'em
expression.
up
You
a
know,
little
yeah,
bit.
you're just
Yeah.
you're just doing light work.
You're not drawing new ones up your forehead. Just
No,
keep
you're-
what you got going.
You just
Color within the lines. Oh yeah, spruce them up a little bit.
oh yeah.
Just like I don't know. Here comes some lipstick, Buxom,
Oh.
big Buxom.
So now you're
girl
gonna want to
here.
take your crayon.
Oh.
We're done with crayons. Now on to lipstick.
Yeah,
Crayons go by quick.
the crayons are just gonna keep it a nice waterproof layer. Oh, and thumbs up. There we go.
There you go.
If you like the video, thumbs up. If you
you
click the
don't-
links above to follow and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.